9,800 kilometers per hour, at an altitude of 26 kilometers. The United States has successfully tested the world's first fully 3D printed hypersonic vehicle, the DART AE. Developed by the Australian aerospace company Hypersonic's launch systems, this historic mission, codenamed Cassowary Vex, pushed the boundaries of modern engineering. The DART AE is entirely produced using 3D printing with heat-resistant alloys, designed to survive extreme temperatures and aerodynamic stress. At its core is the revolutionary SPARTAN ramjet engine. It runs on hydrogen fuel. At hypersonic speeds, hydrogen increases thrust efficiency, and the only combustion byproduct is water. The launch took place at NASA's Wallops Space Center at 19 hours local time. First stage, Rocket Lab's HASTE launch vehicle carried the 300-kilogram DART AE into a suborbital trajectory and accelerated it to Mach 5. Then, at approximately 26 kilometers altitude, the Spartan engine ignited. The vehicle accelerated to Mach 8, nearly 9,800 kilometers per hour. After completing the test program, the craft executed a planned splashdown in the Atlantic Ocean. The mission was conducted under the Defense Innovation Division of the U.S. Department of Defense. The goal: prove the reliability of fully 3D printed hypersonic structures and autonomous guidance systems under extreme conditions. Mach 8, hydrogen propulsion, 3D printed aerospace engineering. The hypersonic era just moved forward. Like the video and subscribe for more next-generation aerospace breakthroughs.